Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to block a phone number on Android. Friends, if someone keep on disturbing you by calling you again and again on your mobile phone, then on your mobile phone you can simply block that number from which he used to call you again and again. So to block his phone number, you simply need to open contacts. Now here you need to search for the contact. Now after opening contact, you need to press on the three dots. Now here you need to press on block number. Now this pop-up will appear and here also you need to press on block. Now friends, we have blocked this number. So friends, like this you can very easily block a phone number on Android. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.